कंफ्यूज हो फर्स्ट ईयर बीएमएस में कौन सी बुक्स लेनी चाहिए, कौन सी रेफरेंस के लिए, कौन सी आयुर्वेदा प्लस मॉडर्न? सो जस्ट काम डाउन, आई विल क्लियर एवरीथिंग इन दिस वीडियो। फर्स्ट ईयर बीएमएस में अगर सही बुक्स चूज कर ली तो समझने में इजी, पढ़ने में इंटरेस्ट और मार्क्स डबल। Also, I am going to make separate videos for Hindi and English languages. So stay tuned and do subscribe the channel for more such videos. So let's start with first things first. Anatomy. The most feared yet lovable subject. So all of you must have heard about Gray's Anatomy. Yes, it's the most globally accepted book. But if you want to score good and understand the concepts, please do skip it. नो नो, आई एम नॉट टेलिंग यू दैट उसे पढ़ना ही नहीं है, बट जस्ट कीप इट फॉर रेफरेंस. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी फॉर you to buy it. You can refer it from your college library. As you know, in BMS, we have to study anatomy as well as Sharir Rachna. So, do you want something which includes both? So, here's a book by the author Shimpi, which has a very good language, very easy understanding language, and of course, it will help you in your exam period. And how can you forget about BDC, the heart of anatomy? Of course, BDC is important to clear your modern concepts. So please refer the first and second part and also do buy it. Now, let's talk about a subject which is quite easy but most important during your first year. Because if you clear your concepts in the first year itself, this will help you lifetime. So it's Kriya Sharir or physiology. And yes, as I told you, you have to clear all your concepts. So the best book I recommend you is Semulingam. Of course, it is quite a huge book to read, but just go through it for concepts, clear it, and then you can shift to another book for your university exams. So for the university exams, everyone recommends a book which is called as Ranari. It has easy language, short and crisp information, and best for quick revisions. Ever heard from seniors and professors that study in first year, it will help you in the final year and lifetime? So they are talking about Sahita, the core of Ayurveda. So let's talk about which books to refer. In Sahita, you have two subjects which are Ashtang Hriday and Charak Sahita. So for Ashtang Hriday, go for Gadgil, which has clean language, clear explanation and best for beginners. And for Charak Sahita, you can use the book by author Kai, and it has great explanations, clear sutras and diagrams with interpretations. So these were the recommendations for Sahita. So now let's talk about something by which 90% of my DM is full. That is, do we really need to learn Sanskrit for Ayurveda? Yes, especially in the first year. So, talking about Sanskrit, you can use the book Sanskrit Sudha, which has great sutras explained beautifully, and it starts with basic and goes till advanced. Ever thought BMS में आकर MBBS से ज़्यादा पढ़ना पड़ेगा? Yes, because so we have a different subject extra than MBBS students, which is called the Padartha Vidyan, and it is not at all correlated with modern science. So for Padartha, you can use BD Patil, which has simple Marathi, perfect conceptual clarity, and ready to write answers for exams. So this was all about first year book recommendations in the language Marathi. And if you want the same in Hindi and English medium, do comment down. Also, do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. That was all for the video. Thank you.